Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from FGNormal. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to FGNormal. All right, let's see. First thing is some stickers. These are supposed to be luminous diamonds, so we'll see. So, ordinary toolkit. And okay, there's two sets here. They are stickers. They are actually cut out. I have to check that now. I've gotten in the past 2 stickers that were not cut out, and these do look like they're cut out. So I got these 2 whales. I do plan to give away these things in Halloween. I might actually, the way these things are put onto the sheet, this might just be like, here, you get the whole thing kind of thing. Instead, I was cutting them out and giving the stickers separately, but just the way this is set up, it might just be like 2 people will get some big stickers. So here's a whale, 2 whale stickers, and some fishes, and some crabs, starfishes, hearts. I'm guessing this is a seagull. Like, yeah, I guess it's a seagull. And then here's a pink fish. More seagulls. Here's some ships. I think they're ships. Yeah, ships. Here, some fishies and a castle. And in case you want to know, the big fish is about 6 inches wide, or about 15.5 centimeters by 13 centimeters, or about 5 inches. And this is $5.99 in pounds on the website. Why can't I find the opening here? This looks like it has ordinary drills on it, but there is supposed to be some luminous ones. I'm not sure which ones are luminous. Is it going to be obvious? Usually the white is luminous. Now, like, let's see. So here's some orange, some blue, pink, white, yellow, some blue here, more pinks and yellows and greens. So gonna go for, let's see if the white, I'm just putting it on to, let me see, I'm trying to see on the website if there is a picture of the luminousness of the whales, but I don't see it, because there's a couple different other ones in here that are luminous. Ooh, I wonder if it's not the drills. I wonder if it's actually the sticker paper. So I'm going to put the sticker paper on my light and see if they do glow. Okay, so it's the sticker paper that's luminous. I'm just putting it under my table, and I was like, yeah. So the luminousness is not the drills, but it's the sticker paper. Because after I put it onto some light here, and I don't know if you can, I don't know if it's visible there. See, do you see it's turning a little green there? There. That is what's being luminous. So it's the sticker paper that's luminous and not the drills. Because I was like, oh, okay. I wonder if that's why the paper feels a little bit heavier than a normal sticker paper. So there, some whales. This one, it's a partial diamond painting. And this is $4.99 in pounds. It has ordinary toolkit. These look like they're special drills. And here it is. It's this flower vase. This only has 7 colors here. It does have the crystal code on there. And the crystal code is slightly different from the DMC. And drill field. Looks like it's just a bunch of numbers. And it looks like there's a little like fall picture in the vase here. And did I say this is $4.99? I just did. So the outside part here is about 9 3/4 inches. It's 25 by 25. But then, the picture is a little bit smaller than the outside there. So some clear drills, red, green, oranges, and then some pearly drills here, and then some marquees. See, like, where am I putting things? Okay, this next one is a big one. It's heavy. It's heavy. This one is $12.99 in pounds. It should be a 45 by 70 centimeter canvas. So it comes with 2 toolkits here. This must be the part number in really big writing, which I like. And it looks like the drills are already in baggies here. A lot of just kind of not vibrant colors here. A lot of grays. And here it is. It's really dark. I'm not sure if you can see what it is. It's like this winter scene here. Winter scene. Well, there's the original image there, if it'll focus here. It does have guide circles, though. Not my favorite type of canvas with the guide circles, because especially for those light colors, you can see it underneath the drills. I have to say, this is one of the clearest looking legends I've seen in a long time. Look at how like nice and clear that is. But it does only have 20 colors, and but the symbols are my favorite type of symbols, the 1, 2, 3, and then letters. And it does look like it's in order too. Too bad about the guide circles here. It might be a little dark. I'm hoping it'll turn out. I kind of like the scene on it, so we'll see if I ever get to it. It won't be in this video, unfortunately. It's a big one. It'll take a while. And is this the part number? Yes, that's the part number. All right, and I said this was $12.99, and it's supposed to be a 45 by 70. It's about 25 inches, or 64 centimeters by about 40 centimeters, or about 15 and a half inches. It's a little bit more than 15.5 inches. This is why I usually measure in centimeters, because the measurement fits centimeters more. So yeah, there's this winter scene here. Next one. Should be, I was gonna say it's a wreath, but it's not. It's actually a desk ornament, so it should be able to stand on your desk. This thing is $9.99 in pounds. And so it does have the base. So it's an Easter egg. It is an Easter diamond painting. And then it usually comes with a second base that you stick together. And I think it just makes the base just heavy enough to hold the diamond painting. It looks like ordinary toolkit, except there's a couple baggies. And these look like it's regular drills here. And I got some Easter bunnies. Yes, it's that time of the year. Well, it's a little early in the time of the year, but the stuff started popping up. And, you know, it takes time to diamond paint. It takes time to diamond paint, so you do it earlier than the actual season, right? And it takes time for the stuff to come to you, too. So the Easter stuff started showing up. It's the bunnies. It's cute. It has the basket here and the eggs, and it does look like the symbols are all numbers here. And with a couple specials. This is, let's see, about 11 centimeters. Yeah, 11 centimeters. It'll probably be about 11 inches. And it'll be about 11.5 in height. Or about 29 centimeters. Yeah, and about like 30 centimeters tall. I might not do all the measurements all the time, but I'll always do the centimeters. So, oh, here's the specials. So some round blue drills. Some marquees, blue marquees here. This one is, it has like the little starburst in there. Some teardrops and then more teardrops. And so some white, brown, more browns, a lot of browns. So yeah, because it's the bunnies and the basket. Some blues, yellows, greens, and then some pinks. I know I need to do it into 3. That's what will fit back in the bag. Here. I'm just going to label the back of this with the part number, just because, in case I separate them. So this is BJP 311. BJP 311. As you can see, me, has sometimes contemplated like, which diamond painting is this? I don't remember. So yeah. Hazards of having too many diamond paintings. All right, so that's the last one I'm unboxing for this video. So here is everything I unboxed. Let me move you up a little bit. You're not going to be able to see the whole thing of this one. Some flower baskets here. My Easter bunny basket. Flower vase. I was like, and here's my Luminous whale stickers. So I do foresee myself finishing this and the whale stickers. I may or may not finish this depending on time, and I'll see you later with some finishes. All right, I'm back and I finished the whale stickers here. So There was 11 colors, and they were all just regular round drills. I thought the rendering was fine. There was guide circles. The canvas is a glow-in-the-dark plastic sticker. The drills were normal, and this took me 1 hour and 32 minutes to complete. And here it is. They're really cute. This one was really easy to do. So there's a blue and a pink whale, and then you can see there's a crab holding a starfish, some fishies, some hearts. I don't know what the hearts have to do with anything. A couple seagulls. And then these bubbles are also stickers, but they're not diamond painted. So more seagulls. Here's a castle here, another fish, and then a boat. 2 boats. I think it's 2 boats. And more seagulls here. And I'm not going to be able to show it on this in here because it's too bright, but I did take a picture of the glow in the dark, and it looks like that. So it's the actual drills are not glow in the dark, but the plastic, I guess, that it's printed on is glow in the dark. So yeah, there's this one. And I finished the bunnies. So what did I write? So this one is about a 29 centimeter diameter. There was 16 colors and 6 specials. So wait, that means there was 22 colors. Was there only 16? Did I write? Or was there 16 colors and there was, so yeah, I was trying to, nope, there's 22 colors. Yeah, 22 colors. There was 22 colors. I thought the rendering was fine. All the symbols were numbers. The stick was fine. The canvas was this plastic. The drills were normal. And this took me 2 hours and 44 minutes to complete. And it's really cute. You can see the little bunnies here. I do wish the bunnies were slightly different color than the basket, but that's probably the only thing I would wish, that the bunnies were a little bit of a different color than the basket, just to help them to have a different contrast. But even then, I think they are actually really well rendered. Like you can see the bunnies, they have nice outlines here, and there's a gradient in the brown, so it adds a little bit of a shading, so give it a little bit less of a 2D look. So yeah, no, I think this one turned out nice. And there's some eggs and some specials here. Flowers, I really like it when the flowers have the specials for the petals. But I think this one turned out nice. So wait, I realized this thing has a base. So there's a base here. So lots of times these bases come with a second piece of plastic. And that's, I think, to make it the base more thick. There's like there's a piece of plastic in there to make the base thicker so that it'll stand better. I don't know why they don't just stick them together, make you stick it together. So let's hope. Sometimes it's a question mark whether it's going to go in nicely. Okay. So there it stands. I can take off the label here. Okay, there it stands. So now I could put this on my fireplace, or I have a place I could bring this to work also. So some bunnies here and the whales. All right, that's all the finishes I have for this unboxing. So thank you very much to FGNormal for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.